Okay. Already you know this value taking. Here 14 to 1200 between is there. This point to and this point, you will get exactly this point. Okay, this point to directly you can draw on parallel line like this. Okay, at the same time you can draw one more, this one. This is 26 inch our duct diameter. At the same time here we have 1200 to 1400 na? Between we consider as our average value, directly we have middle of the portion. Okay, if you consider as a middle, then you will take 1300. Just you will compare with your previous v maximum, velocity maximum, then you will get how much? 1300 and 2000. We have less than 2000 na? Means accepted. Now we completed this one. Next, how can we find out our duct values here? Okay. Now we know velocity, at the same time CFM. Okay, in you will take continuity equation. For example, in previous condition we know continuity equation, just you can see here. Already we know here continuity equation condition, we know CFM, we know FEM. Based on that we find our values. Same here also you can find. For example, what is our CFM here? 5000. Started at A to B we have 5000. Can you draw this diagram, all of you, or otherwise you will take A to B section. Okay, duct design or duct size section A to B. Can you write that one and apply 5000 CFM here? Yeah, this is 5000 CFM here. How can we get your size? Here we need to calculate our size. That is diameter, circular diameter na, not a rectangular na. Just you can observe that one. That is only circular diameter. Just can you write that one? I will explain why why that means. Okay. This is CFM and we know FPM how much? 1300. Can you write this one also at here in this picture? Okay. In this condition we know these two values, and you will take height. Here you will take height how much means 14 inch. For example, you will take height, assuming value this one also, you will take 14 inch for example. Can you write that one also? Height is equal 14 inch. Now you can tell me your width. 14 inch. Forty 44 now we will get our value 44 inch. I am asking width. Okay. Okay. For example, see, now we will try 5000 divided by how much? 12 1300. Then our value 3.84. Okay. Then this is feet value, square feet value na this one, square feet or not, square feet value, area value. Okay, now we know our value, area value. At the same time we know W is equal to area by height na. That condition you can remember this value 3.84. We have 14 inch. Okay, 14 divided by 12, how much our value? 1.16. means this is our feet value, height value. Why means our area we have in square feet value. Definitely we need this one also in feet na. This is 1.17. Can you write this one value? Height 1.17 feet. Then 3.84 or 5 divided by how much? 1.67. Then our value? You are not understanding. Okay. For example, this is our 5000. Already we know this one. Okay. Now when you will draw your A is equal to how much? 5000. Okay, divided by 1300. Then how much you will get means your value 3.84. Okay, this is completely square feet value. Okay, now we need to find out our width. Na width purpose already we know area is equal to how, what? Width into height. That condition we need width value. Na width value means you can mention area by height. Then how much of your value? Area already we know 3.84, but our height we know in inches. Na we don't know in feet. That's why first of all you will convert this height into feet. 14 inch. 14 inch means directly you can do divide. Then you will get 1.67 feet. Okay. Then how much of our width value? 1.17. Okay, 1.17. Okay, that's not a problem. In calculation you will get that value. That's not a problem. How much of final result? 2.3 2.3 feet. 3.2 feet. 3.28, right? 3.28, or otherwise you can calculate, that's not also applicable. 3.28 feet means 3.28 feet. Kruna, okay, all of you, is there any doubt in this? Okay, up to this one we calculated 3.28, right? That condition 3.28 into you can mention 12. Why means we have in feet, I need to convert into inches. 3.28 now, or otherwise 3.84 divided by you can mention 1.67, 2.29, but we have 1.17 now. 3.84 divided by 1.17, this is 3.28. okay, into 12, this is our 40 inch. okay, our value is 40 inch here. Okay, means our duct size is 40 inch width, at the same time height 14 inch. Now understand? Is there any doubt? Again I will explain once more here in this page easily. Okay, just can you write this one all? First of all, we know our CFM means Q value. How much of our Q value means 5000 here. Okay, at the same time we know V 1300. okay, next A is equal Q by V, Q by V. Then we can mention our 5000, at the same time 1300. How much we will get? Our result means 3.84. okay, if you have any doubt you can check that one once. okay, 5000, for example I have doubt, directly you can mention CAL calculator and you can mention here 5000 divided by 1300. How much here? 3.84. Okay, write this way. Again, for example, next we don't know height. That's why you can assumption your height. How much means this is assumption value, not a exact value. You can take 14 inch. Okay. Now A is equal to already we know. How much? Width into height. Then we need to find out our width na. That's why you can take width is equal A by H. Already we know our way. This is square feet value. Okay. Now you can mention our A. 3.84. Then divided by what is our value? H. 14 inch. 14 inch means you will convert into feet. Feet condition you will mention divided by 12 inch. Then you will get your feet value 1 point. Again, if you have any doubt, go this one. See what is the value? 14 divided by 1.1. Then you can mention here 1.17 feet. Okay, then finally you will get your result. Okay, 1.17. First you can mention 3.84 divided by 1.17. How much our value totally? 3.8. Then you can mention it here 3.28 feet. Okay, this feet I need to convert into inches. That conversion purpose, again go here and apply 12. Why means 1 feet is equal to 12 inch na? That's why you can multiply with 12. Then you will get your inches. 39 means you can say 40. Okay, 40 inch our width. Okay, now we know height and width. Okay, this is our duct for example. Okay, in this duct this is 40 inch. Okay, this is 14 inch. Clear? This one totally. Okay, all of you note down this calculation. Clear now this one? Next, after this you will take second one. Here section B2C. In this condition what happened? Here we have only 4,000. Remaining here we have same 1,000. Sorry, here we are getting our 4,000 CFM and we don't know our FPM. Same friction, that condition again you will go to your sheet. Same 0.08, but we need 4,000. 2, 3, 4. This is our 4,000 and 0.08. This is our 0.8. Then 4,000 you can draw same parallel. We are getting same na, maximum 13, and you will take here a diameter decreasing 24 inch. Okay, means you will get same result, same this value and this value. Here we need again same. Okay na, this value? Clear this topic? Is there any doubts? That is second section, third section. Okay, remaining all sections you can try but when you will come to here, okay, here something changing. What happened here? Just you can see in this condition. Friction loss is more. Just you can see here 4,000. First of all, you can find out 4,000 per. I will send the sheets to you. Tomorrow you will find out this value, this value, this value, this value, and this value. Okay. Here we have some complication. I will set that one also. Okay. This is one process, duct to find out. And another one is just you can go here, we need to calculate manually that one. What you did, that is manually. For example, I will take directly, we have diameter value now, already we know height, at the same time diameter. Then you can take this sheet, this is also ashtray sheet, just you can see equivalent to rectangular duct, just you can see here. Here we have two values. What is the two values? One is circular diameter, second one is here we have height. Our height how much here? 14 inch na, our duct height. This is assumption value, already we know. Next, how much diameter we got here? Circular diameter value 26 na, then you will take 26. Okay, based on these two you can draw straight line here, and you will take this one also straight. This is our intersecting point for both, just you can see. Means our duct size 44 inch. This is exact accuracy value. Okay, compared to manual calculation. Why? Means we have that one also. I will explain that one also. First of all, I will explain manual calculation, at the same time this diameter based calculation. Next I will come to the software. Yeah, compare with the previous scenario, we have some difference, but you will take, I will show software condition also. Just we have our software, I will show in software also. I think duct sizing charts tables. Wait. Wait a 1 minute. I will show that one. Sorry. See, you will get like this. Then you can open this one, just you can double click here and click on run. Okay, you will get this one, your duct sizer. Most of the companies using this one. Just you can see in this picture what happened. Means first of all, just you can see, if you need units you can set here units. If you need SI metric or other, if you need SI metric, directly click on yes. No, you can mention no. Okay, that is your choice. If you mean, that is completely your choice. If you want, you can click that one. If you don't want, you can leave that one. Here we have default inches. See, CFM English system, inches English system, FPM you can consider, inches we have. If you need that one, just click on here, click on yes. See, you will get liter per second, Pascal per meter, meter per second, you will get them. Again I want CFM. Okay, if you need to change US, yes, you can change like this your units. Okay, next you need to set your comfort zone. Okay, already I said in ashtray comfort zone is chart there na, in first condition, human comfort. Here we have our possibilities. Where is that? Just you can see, winter temperature 68 degree Fahrenheit, for example summer 74, 82, and relative, but standard we are taking 76 or 75. Next you will take 15 here standard. Based on that, where is our Mecha Aqua? You can this one. Just you can select your comfort range 75 degrees centigrade air and relative humidity 50% at 1 atmosphere. Okay, you can select this one. When you selected this one, already we know our head loss means friction. What is our friction here? Inches water column per 100 feet. This one, inches water column per 100 feet. You can mention here 0.08 directly. Okay, then you can mention your flow rate, for example 5000. Okay, next definitely we need to mention first one is height. Always you consider first one is height. Okay, already we know now 14 inch. How much our value? 46. Compared to sheets or charts, this is accuracy. Compared to manual calculation, charts accuracy. Okay, what I am saying, are you understanding? For example, I completed my calculation. If you need in metric condition or liter per second, that type of situation, just you can change your units. You will get the data. For George, you will get your data. Yeah, if you need your requirement, you can select that one. Default changing that one. You no need to change anything. Directly you can mention and you can calculate at here. Okay, remaining all you will get in that. Okay. Just just you can consider here, this is low velocity system. Okay, already we know friction at the same time this CFM, that's why we got this much, but you will already we taken from the okay. For example, we need just you will observe here one thing. Already we have taken from the chart. Okay, that condition we got our velocity value how much? 1300, but you will compare with this value, sorry 0.08 and 5000. Okay, when you compare with this value, we have 17 or 13% less, greater than that value. This value is less than that value, right? Means automatically increasing your duct size. You will compare that one. Here we will get exact accuracy compared to that sheets or charts. Why? Means we are taking some point this side and some point that side. We don't know exact line. Okay, that's why you will follow this one. That is better to you. Okay. Hello. Hello. Okay, you will take B to C section. I will mention 4000. Then you can see. Yeah. Yeah, definitely decreasing. Why? Means duct size also decreasing, na? That condition automatically decreasing our velocity. For example, compare with A to B duct and B to C duct, we have less size. That condition we are using some reducer fitting, right or wrong? That condition automatically your velocity drop. Okay, again if you need 3000, you can mention it here 3000. You will get 3000 purpose this much of velocity. Okay, and you can mention. Yeah. Hmm. Here mainly depends upon the friction. Here completely friction constant. That condition we need to change this value. Okay, just you can apply any two values. For example, you will take constant velocity condition, we have velocity constant. Same as well as here friction equal friction method, friction constant. That condition velocity depends upon your CFM, automatically changing that one. We can't mention. If you increase your velocity, okay, for example, we will take 1200, your duct size also, see, that's not a problem. You can increase your velocity. Here duct size how much? 28. Just yeah. But our actual condition is equal friction method. Now friction constant we need. Okay. I will share this one also. First can you write this all? First, can you write this one? Already we completed. Y means first of all you need calculation, normal calculation. Then you will go for easy method. Okay. Then you will get exact information. Otherwise you have easy process only, you don't know about concept. How can we take our values from the sheets? You don't know that process. At the same time, how can we calculate our normal procedure like manual method, analytical method? That is also you don't know. That's why I am explaining first analytical method. Okay, compulsory we need that one also. Okay, at the same time analytical method condition also you will come at here. This is 1000, this is 1000, this is 1000, this is 1000 na? I will go to Mecha Aquagest. In this condition up to 5000, first one is okay. I will take second one 4000. Okay, can you write this duct size? Okay, can you write this FEM and duct size? How much of duct size? 14 inch height and 38, means width 38 inch and 14 inch height. For example, I completed B to C. Next to C to D. C to D condition, how much of duct we need? You can mention 3000 at here. Okay, we got our duct size 14 by 30. Can you write this one? C to D section. Next you will write this one, D to E. D to E condition we have 2000 as CFM. Wait, 3000. Okay, next 2000. Okay, 2000 condition, can you write this? 22 by 14 inch our duct size. But you will take it 1000. Just you can observe this one. Here we have duct size is height and width is less. This condition is not applicable. Okay, we can change height, but here we got which value? Odd number. Okay, in you will do any fabrication duct or any standards, you will take SMARCNA standards also, always we are taking even numbers. You don't consider odd numbers in duct sizes. Okay, odd numbers are not applicable. When you will calculate your duct sizes, odd numbers are not applicable. Then you will take directly 14. 14 by 14 exact aspect ratio. When you will start your duct sizing, first we have A to B section. Na? When you will do A to B section, that condition definitely you need to check your aspect ratio. Aspect ratio means AR is equal long side by short side. What is our first size? 46. What is our first size? 46 inch by. Just you can divide it 46 by 14. How much you got? (46) divided by 14. 3.2 na. Okay, means less than 4. Accepted na. For example, we will take next one. Next one how much? 38 divided by 14. When you will get your first value in aspect ratio, artically applicable remaining. Y means this is our large size, remaining all are small sizes now compared to that one height. But when you will reach at the last position, here decreased our size. Okay, our aspect ratio, perfect aspect ratio how much? 1 by 1. Directly we will take 14 by 14. This one. For example, next come to this picture. Completed this one. Next come to this 500 picture. 500 CFM. You will take. Here we got 8. This type of situation, what you do means always we need long side by short side. This is not applicable. Aspect ratio is not correct. That condition, what you do means you can decrease your height. Okay, no size available condition as per site condition. Okay, we cannot increase our size, definitely we can decrease our height, that is possible. Okay, that's why what you do means directly you can mention here 2, you got 9, for example you will take 10. This is perfect aspect ratio, no? Now you will take your duct size 10 by 10. For example, this type of condition, how can we take our values from the chart? That is also one doubt, no? I'll show that one also, no? Just you can come at here. This is our chart, duct chart. In this condition, first of all we need our diameter, duct diameter. Okay, first of all we need to check our diameter. How much of our CFM? Here our CFM value 1000 CFM means this one, or you will take this one 500, you will take 500. Okay, 1000, first 1000 and 0.08. This is our 1000, no? Okay, just you can consider this point. Okay, 1000, here we have 900 our velocity. At the same time, how much this one? Near 14, right? Near 14 means close to 14, or directly we will take 14 inch diameter. Okay, now in this condition what you will do means just you come to down here, you can take from the here. Just see here. Already we know how much of height, 14 inch, na? Next our circular diameter also 14 inch. Then you can see your intersection point, but here we don't have any values. Why means based on our aspect ratio, small size is not applicable, na? This is 14 size, this is you will get small size. Just you can compare with here 32, 26, 22 and 15, sorry 20, 18 you will consider like this. 14 after you will come decrease size. Decrease size is not applicable in aspect ratio, based on aspect ratio. That's why here we don't have any values. You will consider all values. Okay, what is our decrease values is there, that is not applicable here. That's why you will decrease your height. When you will decrease your height, we are taking 12 inch, na? We decreased our height, we don't consider odd number, that's why you will consider even number, 12 inch. Then you can consider, you will intersect, what is our dimension? 14 inch your width. Okay, clear now? Now our value 14 inch by, you will consider this one 14 inch by 14 applicable already. Then you will take 14, or otherwise if you take 14 by 12, but this is we don't need, directly you can mention. Already we have Mecha actual, directly we will get exact. Okay, if you don't have your software, that condition you will take from the here. Next we will take 500 also. Next we have next one, na? We will try for that one also. Just you will take your value. What is our point? 500, na? This is our 500. Next 0.08, this is our 0.08. How much of our velocity? 750 velocity is there, velocity line. At the same time, compared with your duct size, duct diameter, just you can draw like this. How much of 10 to 12 between is there, means you consider as 11. Okay, 11 inch. Then we got our diameter value. Then go to duct. Already we know our height. How much of our previous height? 12 inch, na? From the charts, not a duct sizer. You don't compare with the duct sizer. Just you will take from the charts. In previous condition 14 by 12, right? Means our height 12. Then you will take height 12. At the same time we got our diameter 11, na? But you can consider here 12, we don't have any value. Means again we need to decrease our height, na? Then you will take 10 again, and you can intersect here 10 by 10, our inch 10 by 10. The aspect ratio is perfect, na? Then you will take 10 by 10. Here also we got same, na? In this one. Why means I will show. For example, you will consider we have our starting duct height how much? 14 inch, right? Mission started from the mission we started our duct size how much? 14 inch. Always you will take below the 14 inch height. You don't mention above the 14 inch height. Why means based on site clearance we are taking our height now. For example, you will increase your height automatically contact with the other services or your slab or your ceiling like that. Hmm. 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 See, see. Okay, okay, I will explain that one. See, this is our width. You got in previous case, for example, 8 inch. This is how much? Height 14 inch. This condition you need to connect your duct from this is our last duct. How can you connect? You can connect this is right procedure. In side condition you will get this is our height, okay, this is our next duct, this is our height in means previous duct. This is wrong, this condition is wrong. Just this is our standard height 14 inch. From the mission also we have same height. When you will increase your height our slab just we have up to here, just you can see contact to our slab now our height, or otherwise this fitting is not a correct. I will show this one again to you, easy process. Just you can go in AutoCAD. Actually we have ducts